You know what's funky about these cities down here is that every street has a person. So when you park, they give you a ticket, the dude behind me, and then when you're done, you pay them. So generally people just honk and then he comes to them, but they're usually on the ball. They see you, they're giving you your ticket stub right away. So you're not going anywhere without paying these people. 6 minutes to exit Argentina, and there was night. You gotta love that, eh? Let's see how getting back into Chile is. Okay, that didn't take too much time at all, maybe 20 minutes. So I got about another 4 hours to go, and I'm in Punta Arenas. So let's see how that goes. I don't think the weather's going to be that great. Okay, whenever you stop on the side of the road, you should check the oil in your Kawasaki. And yes, she's drinking oil, so I have to get that done soon. And back in Chile, I beat the weather. I only had rain for about 5 minutes. So that's good news. And why am I back in Chile? That's a funny story. I'll tell you in a little bit. Okay, update. I'm in Punta Arenas, getting a whole bunch of work done on the bike because it deserves it. It needs new tires, oil change, new chain, new sprocket. It's been good to me. It needs a good spa date. Punta Arenas, 10 o'clock at night. Finished a bottle of wine about 20 minutes ago. I'd like something else to drink, to be honest. And I can't find anything open. Why is my life so difficult? Why, Delilah? Okay, checked in with the motorcycle shop. My parts arrived a day early, and I just looked at the bike, and I'm a little scared because I'm surrounded by tigers. Ooh. Okay, no offense to Punta Arenas, but I'd sure like to get out of this town today. So, on my way to the motorcycle shop. Let's see if they can do it all in a couple hours and get me out of here. Okay, got a lot of work done on the bike today. I just went 100 kilometers, got 2 new tires, whole bunch of stuff fixed and sorted. It wasn't cheap. It was 1,200 bucks Canadian. And I just gotta say thanks to Douglas and Laura, because I was having issues with my credit card. I couldn't pay for anything on my credit card. We tried 700 US, 600, all the way to 150, nothing would go through. And then I've been chatting with Douglas a little on Facebook about where to get his oil changed and road conditions and stuff. And he happened to be there getting his oil changed, and I said, hey man, I go, this is a big ask, but how do you feel about paying for my whole bill on your credit card and I'll just e-transfer you some money? He goes, that is a big ask, man. It was 1,200 bucks and a stranger to stranger. So there's good people everywhere. Thank you so much, you guys. You don't know how much that saved me, because I've been having difficulties with a debit card I don't have and a credit card that barely works. So it's not all roses on the road. that's we're over the Straits of Magellan. What did he ever do, hey? The ferry, I don't know how long it takes, but it's 8,500 Chilean, which is basically 8,500, $8.50 US. So all good, we made it on. Okay, here's a funny one that I probably shouldn't admit, but all this last week I thought people were high beaming me because they were excited about my trip because I'm on a bike, and I think that's part of it. But today they high beamed me to say there's llamas in the middle of the road, and then I thought back to all last week. I go, yeah, whenever I saw someone high beaming me, there was llamas. So maybe they didn't just care about my trip. They want to tell me about llamas. I'm in a place called Cerro Sombrero. Yes, we picked it because of the name. And here's what $17 gets you, including breakfast. Breakfast was a bun and some cheese and instant coffee. But here's my palace. Shared bathroom, street parking, but everything's safe here. And leaving Chile today, again. Cheers.